Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another session of customized agentic system. So in this one, I'm going to start with a problem I faced. So I'm using Gmail, and then I've used the Gmail for more than 10 years, probably 15 years now, and it is 90% full. I like to delete a whole lot of things, but I can't. For example, there's 21,000 emails in my uh, promotions folder. Those folders are from Gmail itself. And then if I delete, I need to click this one, I need to click delete, and then that would probably take out 100. So if I need to clean up this folder, I need to do it 227 times, which is impossible. And also some of them, they might be useful and then they just be categorized around by Google's logic. So there might be some important things inside I want to see. So what I did is I created a labeling logic. In this labeling logic, it's come from three different rules, three different layers of the rules. The first two layers wouldn't use the large language model, but the third layer will use the large language model to read the sender name, to read the subject, to read the first 80 characters of an email body, and then the large language model will decide whether this one is a useful email or not. And then the large language model will actually put them into different labels. Currently, because I'm building DeepSeek and I understand Chinese, so this is all Chinese, but I will explain in English. So, for example, in this one, these are the ones from the promotions, and then I just try with 10 of them, and then say ask this software to run. Oh, I created this software to run this three layer checks. So far I processed more than 3,000 emails, and then the total cost is about 0.16 cent USD dollar. Majority of them sits in this orange color. This is for the 3,000. Majority of them is sitting with this orange color. They are promotions, advertisement, and then the blue color are the good ones, which after the three layers check, including the large language model, they are this 86. They are the ones which is good, and then I need to put them into the inbox. So this is some stats how I run it. And then this one is some of the cache memory used to store the sender information. And then this is every time when I run, for example, this one tells me which folder I process the promotion, this is forums, this is spam. And then in the end, in the bottom, I can do um, I can do more actions from this software I created. For example, I want to delete this one from DD. Okay, I just select this one, delete. Okay. If you see this DD Australia in here, let's wait for this one to finish. When we delete this one, it's actually calling some of the Python scripts and running behind. And then let's refresh this one. See, DD is gone. So I would call this one the human interface of how to access the software. This is the human interface. Since I created this customized agentic system, I made some modifications to the underlying script of the software, so the agent can use it now. So what makes me think in the future is probably in the future there won't be so much people using software, but there will be more agent using software. But it is not hard, but we just need to do some modifications and then the agent will understand how to use this software. Okay, let me do this. Okay, so this one is ads. So please. So the agent will actually go back to, okay, it's done. See, 9 emails in there. Loyalty, this is 7-Eleven, 7-Eleven, Dano, Cruise Critical. See, these are the 9 emails. And then see delete or of them. Okay, so because this is delete, so it's asking for one more round of confirmation. Yes. Oh, by the way, for people has seen my previous videos, you probably haven't seen this one. So I create something called free thinking mode. Um, because normally agent will think a lot before the agent will talk to you. So I created some of logic to restrict the thinking steps of the agent, so it doesn't cost too much token. Oh, this is done. All 9 emails has been labeled with ads, has been successfully moved to trash. Anything else don't like me to do? No, that's fine. It's just to um, label latest 20 emails from category promotions. Label latest 20 emails from category promotions. Okay. So when I say label the latest 20 email, it will actually go through the three layer logic, first layer, second layer, third layer, to identify which category they should be. Okay. So for this one, this is the new feature I added in because previously when we talk to agent think too much. So actually I put some restriction to the agent to think less. Mm. Okay. So put it, skip scrolling down. Okay. I put some of the logic to keep the agent to think less, so it will cost less token. But sometimes I find out for some complicated tasks, we need more thinking steps. So I created this one to called free thinking mode, and then which is kind of unleash the thinking power. So the agent can think like maybe 99 rounds. Currently, it's really only thinking 10 rounds. So that's the first feature. The second feature is for every conversation, we can see the cost now. This one cost me 0.4 cents, roughly 0.5 cents. This one cost me 0.5 cents. This one cost me 0.5 cents, 0.5. Oh, this might be this one. This one is 2.3 cents. Okay, so this costs more. So this one would actually checking the 20 emails and then giving each one of them a label on the right hand side. Let's refresh this. It's actually promotions. Oh, couldn't see any. Let me check. I suspect this one is in dry run because how come I couldn't see any of these labels? can ask this question. Ah, okay. Yes, that was a dry run. Let me check if this says anywhere in dry run. For the 20 emails identified, 19 of them was identified as, one of them is identified as a newsletter. And then let me check. All 20 emails are go through this L10, L0 rules, so there's no large language model cost. Okay, let's see. Has been labeled an archived. Okay, yeah, that's done. So in the future, that's I think that's all I want to show today. So in the future, everything that you do, you don't have to really go to access the software anymore. The software is for human. But in the future, if you talk to the agent, agent will work everything behind. You just talk. So you control everything by natural language. Okay, this is another use case presentation for the customized agentic system, and then hope you like it.